solid state part 9 da when machine learning the numerical based on number of tetrahedral and number of octahedral both ko so sida in na ni give formula on the formula the number of octahedral both kay manage number of particles ko manage aduga mo number of tetrahedral both na 2 times number of particles ko manage sida based of question ka question number 1 what is the formula of a compound in which element y forms CCP lattice and element X occupy 1/3 of the triangle, 1/3 of the triangle. See, combine a soft on years. CCP means CCP means FCC in the last video they over the CCP and FCC are same. So FCC already for FCC number of particle क्या ना for FCC को Z equal to क्या होगी 4 होगी बने को last video में कह दिए for FCC Z equal to क्या होगी 4 means number of particle होगी क्या तारे 4 तारे और the number of octahedral point क्या हो रहा है number of octahedral point equal number of particles का माना बने ना CCP क्या तारा ने 4 तारा ने next number of tetrahedral point क्या तारा ने the 2 times of number of particles means क्या हो रहा है 8 हो रहा है खांगी को next question ना करिए हाय रे एक सिना करिए है ना 1/3 of क्या है ना 1/3 of tetrahedral point है ना tetrahedral point क्या 4 that means 4/3 y सिना है ना form CCP है ना means number of point क्या हो रहा है मागी number of particle क्या हो रहा है 4 हो रहा है so in X occupy 1/3 of tetrahedral point है ना को how they is sorry गए ये वो ऐसे number of किलो दो 4 initial में tetrahedral point क्या ना ये नहीं होता क्या ताने 8/3 हो गया तो अदुगा y ना y form CCP means my number of particle क्या हो रहा है 4 हो रहा है so molecular formula the molecular formula combine ताने x 8/3 अदुगा y क्या 4 सी solve तो रोको सीना इधर क्या 2 ताने और दी सुमाया ताने x 2/3 y सुमाया ताने और सी 3 से fraction ना ले भी याद है मांगन गया दी into 3 ना plus पूरी हो सीधे और क्या ताने x 2 y 3 so see this will be the molecular formula already यार देखो next question हो ये question number 2 ay shamma yirage ko y shina form ccp aduga x na occupy 2/3 of tetrahedral void haiba 2/3 of tetrahedral void haiba ko adu question dana molecular formula hangba sab mane si show sai du mane yengo y shina ccp y form ccp means FCC has a mane ko 4 FCC sai du mane z equal to kya no 4 therefore number of octahedral void kya tarani 4 ne and number of tetrahedral void kya tarani 2 times of number of particles means kya tarani how the x na kya occupy to hai na 2/3 of tetrahedral like tetrahedral void kya no 8 that means kya tarani 16/3 y na kya no form ccp means number of particles kya no 4 this implies molecular formula equal to kamai rani x 16/3 y kya 4 solve karo sida sida ka di kya thunga x 4/3 y sida sida minus solve karo ko 3 na into ani mukta karo di x4 y kya tarani x4 y3 sina molecular formula next question number 3 da huye question number 3 da y form ccp and x occupy 2/3 of octahedral void haiba aduga molecular formula hangba amangi question में जैसे molecular formula hangune ko hanapsu molecular formula how di yengase sida sa mane ko 4 ccp after fcc z equal to kya no number of particles 4 therefore number of octahedral void so look at tarani 4 tarani and number of tetrahedral void equal to kya tarani 2 times of particle is z ki adu di kya tarani 8 now the x na kya form to gaya no 2/3 of octahedral void and octahedral void ki kya no 4 that means kya 8/3 y shina form ccp means my value kya ho raha 4 ho raha hai ko therefore molecular formula equal to x kya 8/3 y kya 4 how this is solved to kya tarani x 2/3 y this implies molecular formula equal to kya tarani x2 y3 so this will be the answer procedure lo ko numerical based on number of octahedral and number of tetrahedral void so next video da density yengase so wasi ki dimata asalo thank you